Good morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama, and we are talking about our spring kickoff. We are ready to get some orders in here so we can start rocking and rolling for the 2026 building season. By the way, if you purchase a home now, your home will be a 2027 model, so that's a good thing to have. And this baby right here, 32 by 68, the Salamonie. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and the bedrooms are huge. I want to talk about the ultimate home package because we've got that in this house, and there's a lot of features to it. Shutters are lineal trims all the way around, and when we're walking through this house, I'm just going to say package, package, package. Okay, let's make it simple. Let's check it out. Everybody say good morning to meow, meow, meow. Not talking today. Okay, coming into the front door. Now I added something here. By the way, this home was on clearance for the first 2 weeks of May, starting at $103. Not this exact home, I've already sold this, but the floor plan. So you'll be able to personalize that floor plan for you. Choose your own colors, choose your own options. You know how the deal works. I have added a Serenity Wardrobe. And what happens when you add the Serenity Wardrobe is you're gonna get a foyer. That's a bonus. And you're also gonna get a walk-in coat closet. You need that, especially if you're, well, anywhere, Midwest, wherever you're at, because if it's not snowing, it might be raining. Okay, so let's just go through that Serenity Wardrobe and what that means. It's about a $13,000 option, but you get a lot of things. Remember, you get the foyer, gonna get a slanted wall right here, walking into a very, very large primary bedroom. And what I wanted to do when I designed this home, I wanted to create a place where the parents can get away and just kind of have some private time to themselves. So a very large master bedroom with a wardrobe. This is why we call the option the wardrobe, with a large wardrobe right off of the primary bedroom. Going to include a seat here with a bench and some place to store some things under there, probably shoes or handbags, whatever you would need to store under there. It looks like it's perfect shoebox size. This is an optional closet organizer. You can add that into any closet if you like. Coming into the double doors, what a great feature that is. This is the Serenity part of the Serenity Wardrobe. Gonna have another bench with some more storage here. Also, it looks like about a 40-inch linen closet here with lots of storage, 2 main doors, and 4 drawers. So if you're looking to be able to put towels, linens, sheets, stuff like that, that's a perfect place. And then here we go with the bathroom. First off, you're going to see the Serenity shower. Now there is the option to add a pane of glass if you would like to do that. That would be on this wall right here. And then included in that Serenity Wardrobe, you've got a very large deck tub. I've got to tell you, this year the deck tubs are larger and they're squared. So perfect for relaxing after work or just having a nice soak. Then the bookcase over here, a double vanity. This one has framed mirrors. Hello, I hope to see you guys this month. We got some hot deals. And here we see some framed mirrors, package. Ceramic tile throughout, package. Hardwood cabinets, package. Double vanities, that's part of the Serenity Wardrobe with a bank of drawers in the middle. And here, all the ladies love this, but let's talk about this first. 3 paneled doors, 1, 2, 3, package. Coming into the private commode, you're going to have a door to be able to do your business. I did add an 8 by 30 transom window there, and you're going to have some bookcases in here. Bookcases is not the right word, right? Maybe you're going to put books, magazines, toilet paper, towels. Lots of options there and flexibility. And then finally, in this bathroom, we're going to see the Serenity shower. Just a very slight step up into the shower with a fiberglass base. Once you get in, you're going to have water access here, and then another one over here. One is going to control the shower wand, the other one is going to control the rain shower head. So the Serenity shower, it is probably our most popular luxury shower, hands down. All right, white wrapped profile trim package. 3 hinges per door package. And what's the benefit of that? Well, these doors have to be very light. The home period has to be very light to get down the road. So when you have the 3 hinges per door, when the home gets to your location, you can add real wooden doors, right? A heavier door. So Heading towards this end of the home, we're gonna see the alternative bedrooms. So bedroom number 2, that's coming up first. By the way, lever door handles, package. Very large. Huge space. And this is a 32 by 68, so you could go as long as a 76. I do this in a 4-bedroom too. Large walk-in closets in every bedroom. Even when you go with a standard floor plan, still large walk-in closets everywhere. If you check out some videos that I've done on the Henderson, you'll see the 4-bedroom Valparaiso, which is just like this. I think I've done one that was just pretty standard. Bedroom number 3, we're standing in another large walk-in closet. While we're in here, let's talk about finished ceiling joints. The only way to get that is in the Ultimate Home Package, and it's a nice clean look up there. You're gonna see that in stick-built homes. So a lot of people, is the main reason they're gonna go with the package. 2-inch mini blinds, package. Extra can lights. You get 7 of them and you choose where they go, package. All right, what else is going on in here? Now, a lot of people ask me in this living room, where would you put the TV? There's a couple options here, and these are things you really got to think through, because this way, the only place for the TV is probably on a swivel right here on the slanted wall. But you could downsize these windows, spread them apart, and put your TV in the middle. You could put your TV up against that wall, but I caution you on that, because if you've got your couch right here, you're blocking off this beautiful entryway into the kitchen. So this is a semi-wide open floor plan, right? There's some separation between the living room and the kitchen. So just really be thinking about how you want to do your furniture. Anyways, keep moving, Christina. I like to talk, okay? Drawers over doors. That's a mobile home mama must have. Cabinets to the ceiling. By the way, package. Cabinets to the ceiling, package. Full wall of ceramic tile on the range wall. There's the range, package. Also, gas ranges are available at no charge now. That's a new thing. And then the smooth top electric ranges are also no charge here. We've added black handles, package. We've added an appliance package here, microwave over the range, dishwasher side by side with ice and water. I've enlarged the island here. I just thought that it could use a larger island, and not necessary, but it is an option if you like. And crescent edging in the kitchen, that's the rounding of the countertops, package. All right, valance board. You're gonna see that in a lot of stick-built homes, package. All right, let's get you a good look at this kitchen. Talk about cabinets. Whoa, holy cannoli. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. I was trying for a farmhouse look here, so did the classic black and white and then warmed up the gathering places with some color. Headed into the utility room. This is an optional L-shaped utility sink. You could do a couple different things in here also, because maybe you need a spot for a water softener. You could do a smaller sink and then leave that open for a freezer or water softener. That's what a lot of people do. Washer dryer cabinets, package. This is a very large utility room, and a lot of people love it. Added a 9-light door in the back. Look how much natural light that brings in. It's amazing what light will do to your build, okay? Furnace door, package. Also, you could add a water heater door here if you would like. Okay, 2x6 wall, package. There's some other things I probably missed in the package, but in this home, wire brace switch. You decide where it goes, package. In this home, I did very few options. I did the Ultimate Home Package. I did the optional Serenity Wardrobe. I enlarged the island and chose a different color for the hardwood cabinets. Those are the main options that I added here. A 9-light door in the back. I didn't go crazy because I wanted to keep it affordable. So you got a 2,000 square foot home here with a base price of $103. You add in those few packages, you're probably sitting around $155, I would say. But that's during the month of May only. So I need you guys to come see me. It's getting warm, so you can't give me the excuse that it's too cold out, okay? Just come see me. I did an optional bath here where closed off the shower part of it, or the tub shower part of it, so that people would still be available to wash their hands, or the sinks would be available for the people. I guess I said that backwards. Anyways, this is called the optional hall bath in the Henderson. This home, 32 by 68, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is beautiful. Of course, drywall package. Jesus, I didn't even say that. That's the main thing, right? I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And as always, thanks for watching.